Okay, this is my frame, and this is 100 cells, 26 650 cells, 100 only, supposed to be 130, but it turns out I am still waiting for $1. 30 more cells is supposed to be shipped, and I just checked the tracking. The box is stuck somewhere in Avonell, New Jersey. I really have no idea where this place is. And I got 3 boxes of those cells about a week ago. I thought that 130 cells are inside those 3 boxes. I was wrong. When I opened them today, I started aligning them in my frame to see how big the packs will be. I noticed, actually, I realized that I'm still missing 30 more cells. I don't know where I will fit them when they come. I hope they will come somewhere at the bottom. It will be heavy, very heavy bike, but this is the way I want it. I want them to be on the frame. I don't want them to stick too much on the sides, and I want the center of gravity to be as low as possible, so the heavy cells will be laid out basically this way, and 30 more cells will come to the bottom of the down tube. Hopefully it will work out, and the wheel will be able to fit. It will be an 19-inch wheel. 19-inch wheel with a 3 inches tire, 3 inches height. So hopefully this will fit. I have the fork lying around. It's a RockShox Boxer fork. It's white, unfortunately, but this is what I was able to get, and it will have to do. The frame, I assume that I will paint, probably black. I don't know if it will be powder coated or maybe just painted with automotive paint. We will see. Haven't decided yet. Just now I'm trying to figure out the cells. I found a guy who gave me a quote for soldering those cells, actually welding, not soldering. He would spot weld them for me, and for this 130 cells he quoted me $200. I don't know if it's expensive or not. I know that I could buy spot welder for about $100, but then there's also the cost of the nickel not wire, nickel tape, and work, and I'm actually not sure, honestly, how to put them in parallels and serials, so it would work. So I probably will rely on the expertise of somebody who already welded packets before. So I don't know if he will be happy with this huge cell, but that's what I need. This is what I need. Yeah, maybe he'll give me a discount. We'll see. Okay, it started to look the way I want it. Not there yet. Again, this is only 100 cells, not 130. The packet should be 21 S6P, so 92 volts, I think, if I'm not mistaken. No, not 92, less, 86 or maybe something like that, maybe 86 volt. I guess that's all for now. This is the first video actually in the series. I put some pictures on my blog. The address is pbmax.net, P as Peter, B as boy, max.net, where I will be putting up the posts about the progress of my build. Okay. I don't think it will be a very quick build. Probably it will take me through the winter, but because I don't really have too much time on my hands. But it's a hobby, I guess. So there is no rush. Whenever I make it, I will make it. And on the side note, just today I saw a post on Craigslist. It was one of the scrambler bikes, the more expensive one, which on the website, it's an e-bike, of course. On the manufacturer's website is, I think, over $3,000 at this moment, and I saw this one on Craigslist for just $9.99. Well, not even a grand. But I reached out to the guy and he said that somebody's already coming to get it from him. So I just told him if for some reason he doesn't show up, that he should text me, and we'll see if he texts me back. If not, yeah, I lost, I guess, because the bike really looked nice. It's not the most powerful, 1100 watts. Battery is 54 volts, but you can ride without pedaling at around 35 miles per hour. If you pedal, you can reach 38, I think. So not a bad piece of hardware. Really nice bike, and from what I read in the reviews, people really like them. And I think the guy that is supposed to buy this bike from Craigslist already has one, and is getting another one for his girlfriend. So must be pretty good bike. This will be also pretty good. Okay, this is just a start. The motor will be QS205 4T as Tom, 30H, I think, something like that. And the battery pack, as you can see, was quite large. So I assume that I would be able to get the same, probably more than 40 miles per hour. I don't know how fast it will go, but it may be dangerous to go faster than 40, but we'll see. This frame is really strong. It's quite heavy frame by itself. One of the strongest frames ever built, aluminum frames. Konastinki, really popular for for e-bike conversions. From what I've seen in Europe, actually in Poland, I've seen several of such constructions, and people love them. They're really strong strong bikes, strong frames. So what else? That's it for now. I will try to post more videos as something new shows up when I have the rest of the batteries. It's already quite a delay, but I hope that I will get them. If not, it's over $100 in sales. I guess I will have to contact the seller for some help in getting them back, or maybe he will honor AliExpress guarantee and send me 30 cells extra. We will see. Let's hope it will not get to this and I will get them normally with US post office. They will deliver very soon. All right. Okay, take care everyone. Thanks for watching. I don't know if this video will be on YouTube or where I will put it. If it will be on YouTube, on some new channel that I may create soon, please subscribe so you can see more of those videos from the progress of my e-bike build. It will be a pretty epic build. I have some really nice plans how it will look like. I cannot show them right now. If you want to know who was my inspiration, you can check YouTube channel Vortex, VORTECKS. The guy's name is Tony. He's from United Kingdom. He built an awesome, really awesome, epic bike based on a similar frame. Kinda stinky from what I remember, but he decided to put the cells on the side of the frame, on both sides, and his welding technique is a little bit different. He has 60 cells on each side of the frame, 120 total, but the bike looks incredible. Honestly, it looks like it came from the factory. So he was my inspiration to start this project basically, and maybe I will achieve something similar, maybe something that fits me more to my style of riding. It will be mostly city bike, I guess, but from time to time I would like to do some other trails. There's not too many around where I live, but with such huge battery pack I may try to ride somewhere farther where there will be good trails to test this e-bike, if it comes to fruition, I guess. We'll see. All right, thank you again and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Bye.